Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue in Windows 10 that says that we can't set up the mobile hotspot, turn on Wi-Fi. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd actually recommend doing, make sure you have a note of your Wi-Fi key. So before we do anything, make sure you have that noted somewhere. And then you want to go ahead and open up the start menu, type in network reset. Open that up, should be the best match. Reason I'm saying that is once we select the reset now button here, we're going to be resetting our network adapters. So once you reset your system, you will have to enter in your Wi-Fi code again. Before you select reset now as well, make sure you have closed and saved out of any open programs and applications, because once we select this button, you will have to restart your computer within 5 minutes or it will automatically do that. So just make sure you've done both of those things and then select reset now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select yes. And it's going to say you're about to be signed out. Click on close. I'm going to go manually restart here. And then you will have to make a decision if you want to allow your PC to be discoverable by other PCs and devices on this network. So it obviously will depend if you are sharing printers and devices between different computers. I usually select no, but again, a lot of you guys probably are actually going to select yes in your case. But like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.